Hello, this is Graciela's new toy. Ready?
Yeah, so it says match.
Mix and match here.
Mix and match here, but I'm going to show you something, guys.
Yeah.
This
This is your old LOL.
yeah, so we're going to buy a new one.
No, we already bought one.
Yeah, so.
And then you have to open that one. It's a surprise.
Yeah, so it's.
Can you show the front one?
Yeah.
Can I hold your old LOL?
Yeah.
No, the old one.
Oh, yeah.
So you can show that to them. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So
then?
this one is perfect because it's not old. It's a new one, so we just buy it. So
We're going to open it?
yeah.
Yeah. Can we open it?
No,
All right.
in home.
All right. Okay. See you later when we open it.
Yeah, bye.
All right.
Channel, so we got this big sticker.
So did you decide to open it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you open it? Show them what you have. Open the LOL box.
Yeah, we just start again.
Yeah. Okay. Hang on. Open it.
Okay.
All right. And then open the toys. So that's what's inside.
Yeah.
Show them your new LOL toy.
Yes. So if we.
The new toy. The new LOL.
Okay.
Yeah.
we
And then the
just
old
got-
one.
Yes. So each LOL of friends.
Do you like them?
Oh my God! Look at this.
Show it. Show it. Show it to them. Show nicely the earrings and stuff. My hands are from the Play-Doh. Dirty.
Yeah, me too.
And that one.
And
So what's her name from this one? Superstar?
let's check on this. What's her name again?
Superstar.
Oh yes, the superstar. So this is how you collect this super bag.
Yeah.
So I want to show this. This is how you put this on. So
Put on the other side.
yeah.
Okay. Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Okay.
I'm clever girl.
Are you? All right. Can you show it to me? All right. All right. How about the small ones? What are these? Do you want to open that one?
Yeah, so what is this? We're just going to open this.
Yeah.
I guess not opening.
Okay. You like?
I guess not opening.
You have to open slowly.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let's show it to them. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the headband.
Yeah. So we just want this.
And then how about this one? This is another pair of hair.
Oh.
And how about that one? Oh, this is cute. These are shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, put it here. Put it here, and then we have to line them up, and then we can show it to them.
I'm just
No,
gonna.
not yet, not yet. We're gonna show it to them. There's another headband.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it match. Oh my God, it does match the pink.
And then the bottle. That one. Okay, just leave it there. Put it down.
Okay, then
And then the next one, we're gonna open. Oh, the different hair. Oh, what's that noise?
My father.
Yeah, there's different hairs.
Yeah, you can put them together.
And the last one, oh, there's more hair. Different hair. And that one, there's a dress.
Oh, I never seen this one.
Put them up, put them down on the table. And there's a comb. And the last one is the microphone. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them Put them there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in the video. Ready? So can you point on them? This was the hair, the comb.
Yeah.
And then what else?
And this one.
Yeah, the dress.
Yeah, so that's it. So
Yeah, and the old LOL.
yes. So
Okay. Are you happy now?
our elbows coming. Move
Where
back.
did you put all the stickers? This one? Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye to your friends now.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
click and subscribe.
Yeah.
All right.